Hey, you there. Is taking notes of any kind while working outdoors involved in your job? Why in the hell aren't you using this $5 notebook? Hey everyone, welcome back to my regular scrutiny of interesting products from direct-to-consumer companies all over the world. Today, I'm turning my gaze onto one of the most durable pocket notebooks in the market, the 3x5 Top Spiral Notebook from Rite in the Rain. If you've ever been caught in a downpour with your notes turning to mush, or worked in tough environments where regular paper just doesn't cut it, you're going to want to stick around for this review. Let's see if this pocket-sized powerhouse lives up to its all-weather reputation. The Rite in the Rain 3x5 Top Spiral Notebook is a compact, American-made pocket notebook designed specifically for harsh weather conditions. It features a 3-inch by 5-inch form factor with top spiral binding. It has 50 sheets or 100 pages of their patented all-weather paper. The universal pattern with light blue lines and a nice center line as well. The Polydura cover comes in various colors, and I've got the gray one here, I guess. And it's wire O bounding that's designed not to snag on clothing or other things you might be carrying in your pockets. It also retails for $4.95. What makes this notebook special is Rite in the Rain's patented paper technology, a water-resistant coating that's been refined since the company started back in 1916 in Tacoma, Washington. Originally designed for the Pacific Northwest logging industry, these notebooks have found their way into the pockets of everyone from military personnel to field scientists. Let's put this weather-resistant claim to the test. I've got several writing instruments here. As you can see, the water beads nicely on top of the paper. The pencil works flawlessly, exactly as Rite in the Rain recommends. The ballpoint pen has a little bit of smudging, but it's nothing major. It still looks pretty good, even after drying. The gel pen, however, has some major smearing, and will probably require longer dry times if that's the only pen you've got kicking around. I would say stay away from using gel pens with this notebook. And as you can see, it passes with flying colors on the test with a thin Sharpie. What's even more impressive is that the page itself hasn't turned to mush like regular paper would. There's no warping, and once it dries, you'd hardly know it got wet at all. I've been carrying this notebook for 2 weeks in various conditions. I've used it in the rain, dropped it in a puddle on purpose, and even ran it under the tap. Through it all, my notes remained completely legible. The top spiral design makes it particularly convenient for one-handed operation. Perfect for when you're juggling equipment, holding an umbrella, or just need to jot something down quickly while holding other gear. How does the Rite in the Rain stack up against its competitors? Let's look at some alternatives. Field Notes brand has a strong cult following and some beautiful designs. Their standard notebooks cost about $12.95 for a 3-pack, making them similarly priced to the Rite in the Rain. However, standard Field Notes use regular paper that will deteriorate quickly in wet conditions. They do offer an Expedition edition with waterproof paper, but it's in a limited release and not always available. I'll have to test that one out. The Durable Tactical Field Notebook by Rothko is a direct competitor at around $6, marketed toward military and tactical users. It claims to be waterproof, but I just haven't had the chance to put it to the test yet. Finally, the Rocca Stone Paper Notebook uses stone paper, which is actually made from crushed stone. They're naturally water resistant and environmentally friendly since they use no trees, water, or bleach in production. Priced between $10 and $15, they're more expensive than the Rite in the Rain, and the paper has a distinct feel that some users won't find too smooth. That's another type of notebook I'll have to test in the near future. Alright, so who would benefit most from this notebook? Well, I can see it being essential for a wide variety of people. Hikers and outdoor enthusiasts, construction workers, first responders, field researchers, military personnel, gardeners, fishermen, and boaters. Really, it's great for anyone working in poor weather conditions. The compact size means it fits perfectly in a shirt pocket, cargo pocket, or small pouch in your bag. At under $5 per notebook, the Rite in the Rain offers exceptional value considering its specialized performance. When you factor in that your notes won't be destroyed by unexpected weather, that value proposition becomes even stronger. Many competitors in the same price range offer no weather resistance whatsoever, while those that do tend to cost significantly more or don't perform as well in wet conditions. But I'll still have to put that claim to the test in a future video. After some regular use and intentional abuse, I'm genuinely impressed with the Rite in the Rain 3x5 top spiral notebook. It delivers exactly what it promises, a reliable writing surface regardless of the conditions you find yourself in. Is it the most elegant or refined notebook on the market? No, but it's not trying to be. This is a purpose-built tool designed to keep your notes safe and legible when the elements are working against you. For outdoor professionals, adventurers, or anyone who needs reliable note-taking capability, regardless of conditions, this notebook is a very easy recommendation. It's affordable, durable, and simply works when other notebooks would fail. That's it for today's review. If you use Rite in the Rain products or have other all-weather notebook recommendations, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews focused on durability and practical performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.